Hello, how are you all? It's me Vidya. So today's topic is what are the different websites that you can look, search and apply jobs from India to here, so your work visa path gets a bit easier. So let's get started. Before even getting into the details of the websites, I would like to mention a precondition or a prerequisite which is really important even before applying the jobs, is making your skill set ready and your profile ready. So for that, what you would do is that start looking what are the job listings. Once I give you the website details, look for the job listings and the job descriptions. Go through the details of the job descriptions. It applies to both IT jobs and non-IT jobs. Go through the details of the descriptions and then check what they are looking for. What are the skills they are looking for in a candidate, and if you have the required skill set, it is well and good. The only step you have is to make your profile ready. And if you think you do not have the required skill set that the New Zealand is looking for, then make yourself ready. Go do the courses and improve your skill set, and then come back to the first point of getting your profile ready. Because why I am talking about the profile readiness is the recruitment process here in New Zealand. It is a bit different when you compare to India. The resume preparation or the process is completely different. So that needs to be really done neatly and nicely before even you apply for the jobs, because the job market here in New Zealand is really very less. When you apply for jobs without doing much research and without putting so much of effort in making your profile really looking good, then once they go through your profile and see that you're not your profile is not up to the mark, they're not going to look at your profile very soon, even after you update it. So once you're applying for a job, make sure your profile is really good and outstanding. So I'm going to make a separate video on how to make your profile look good, and what are the things that the recruiters look for in a profile when you're applying for a job here in New Zealand. So I'm going to make a separate video. Please don't miss to check that out the next time. Okay, so now coming to the point of the websites, there are few websites which is different for IT jobs, which is different for non-IT jobs. When you start with IT jobs, the first preference, the website which has more job postings for IT jobs is seek.co.nz, and then next comes trademe.co.nz, and the third choice is Indeed. There is also another option called LinkedIn. So there would also be some recruiters that will be contacting you via LinkedIn, but it usually happens when you are here in New Zealand locally. But it's always a good option to have your LinkedIn profile updated as well, because here in New Zealand people look at LinkedIn profiles a lot. And then coming to the non-IT jobs, the first preference, lot of job postings will be posted on TradeMe. So TradeMe is the first preference for non-IT jobs, and then the second position will be Seek, and then the third position will be Indeed. So I'm going to give you the links of the of all these job portals I'm talking about in the description. Please check them out and ask me if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help you. And then please take care until then. See you again next time. Take care. Bye bye.